Today is one of those busy wash days. I just finished washing all the curtains behind you, and I have this set that's left to be done, and the ones in the office and the dining room. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these ones up now. So I usually wash my curtains and my sofa covers twice a year. So now those curtains are all done. What I usually do next is to steam them, but I'm not going to get that done today because it's a lot it's a lot of work and a lot of arm workout to steam all these curtains. So I'm going to do it little by little, but I'm not going to do it today. What I'm going to do next is try to get the pillow covers back on these pillow cushions or these sofa cushions. I also went ahead and shampoo my carpets last night. So those are nice and clean. See, this is why I'm not afraid to have like white furniture or white textile in my home, as long as everything is removable and I can throw them in the wash. Or for the carpets, I can just shampoo them myself. Yeah, I'm definitely not afraid to have white textile in my home. So as for the sofa covers, I usually I don't, period, put them in the dryer. I just let them dry overnight, like air dry, or throughout the day, I'll let them air dry. But yeah, last night I did went ahead and wash half of them. And the previous day, I already did wash and put the other ones on. So I just have this half that's left to be done. And honestly, it's not my favorite thing to do, to try to put them back on the covers, because on the pillows, because oh my gosh, it is a struggle. It is a struggle. But once it's all done and everything is clean, it's the most amazing feeling ever. Do a little bit of a re-zhuzh to the living room area, and I did find a few things at Ross that I do want to share with you. It's not a lot, just I think it's like 4 things that I found at Ross that I do want to incorporate in my living room. So let me show you. Candle holders that I found at Ross. I absolutely love them. Of course, if you know me, I love white decorative items. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I gotta have it. So I bought 2 of them, and I just love the handles. I love the shape, and I had these 2 pink candles here at home, so I just went ahead and add them to the candle holders. But I just love these so much. They're so beautiful, and the quality is absolutely amazing. So I do want to add these to my coffee table. Some way, somehow, I'm always going to find a way to incorporate pink, especially pastel pink. It's one of my favorite colors, so I absolutely love this little combination. And I do have the pastel kind of sage color that's going on in the living room right now. So let's see if this combination will go together. I also saw these 2 items, which I don't have anything like this in my decor stash. So of course I brought them home with me. I actually really love them. The price were $4.99 for one. So I did pick up 2 of them. I think I'm going to add these to my coffee table decor also. So let's see if I like them there. But I actually really do like these. Yeah, and the price was only $4.99. They were on sale for $4.99, so not bad. So as much as I love my hydrangeas that I got, I think they're actually from, it's either Home Goods or Marshalls. I am going to put them in another area of the house. These are the Real Touch hydrangeas. They feel absolutely beautiful. But as for me, nothing signifies a summertime more than fresh flowers sprinkled throughout my home. So I'm going to put these in another area of the house and add my fresh flowers here. I absolutely love Alstroemeria. These are my favorite flowers to add or to use in a vase. They last about 2 weeks when you really do take care of them. So I absolutely love adding them throughout my home. So these are the candle holders that I just showed you that I picked up from Ross. And I think they would look really nice right here. So I'm just going to add these two here on the coffee table. And because I do have some hints of pink in the flowers, so pink, white, and some kind of a sage green color in the flowers, I think they will look really nice on the coffee table here. Love that. And I absolutely love candles. So I have these cute little ones here. They're most definitely in the color scheme that I'm going for this summer season. So I have my white, I have my little baby pastel pink, and I have this kind of a green color. It's not necessarily a sage green color, but it's absolutely beautiful. These are from the brand DW Home. So I absolutely love their candles. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of sprinkle them on to this area here. So I think I want to add the pink or maybe the green. So last but not least, I found these really beautiful kind of a dumpling pillow when I was at IKEA, and I absolutely fell in love with them. I think I'm going to try to add them to my sofa. I currently do have, as you can see, that sage green color that's going on over there right now. So let's see if this pink, kind of a mauve pink, and my kind of sage green color, let's see if they go together. All right, so I have this. Let me see how I want to add these. It's gonna be a lot of cushion on my couch, but I absolutely love when it's all fluffy and cozy. So I think that looks okay. What do you guys think? Too much pillows or no? I love this combination actually. I really do love this combination. Up close of the coffee table that we just decorated together. I absolutely love it. I love all the pinks and the pastel colors. It just makes me feel so happy and so summery. So these are my favorite flowers. These are the Astromeria that I love to add in my home because they just last forever in the vase. on a hot summer's day, I absolutely love drying my laundry outside. It reminds me so much of being back home in Jamaica. It brings back so much memories. Back inside and finish up. Okay, friends, so as for this area here, like I've mentioned, I like to keep it really simple. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of my coffee table books that I've found at, I think some of these I've found at Home Goods. So this one here is my most recent find from Home Goods. I absolutely love the cover. It is so beautiful, and anything that's garden theme, I just love so much. Absolutely gorgeous cover. And of course, you can always remove this outer layer here and just expose this part, which I also really love. And oh my goodness, how gorgeous is the inside? Many wonderful recipes, so many home decor ideas. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. So I can't wait to sit in my garden and just have a little skim through this gorgeous, gorgeous book. So I'm going to go ahead and add it here. So the books that I currently have, most of them, they're quite neutral in color. And I do want to add some more colorful books to this area. So I am on the hunt for some more colorful books. This one here is quite beautiful. I love anything flowers, anything that has to do with garden. I mean, look at this color. It is so bright, but absolutely love. I love, like I've said, sitting in my garden and just reading these absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous decorative books. Not just decorative, but they're also quite informational. Do is steam these curtains. I usually wash my curtains, all my curtains, during summertime because they're so easy to dry. I usually don't put them in the dryer. I just love drying them in the garden area, and they literally dry within like 10 minutes in this hot Florida sun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and steam them out because I did not put them in the dryer. I'm also just gonna do this area for today because I have a lot of curtains, and I'm gonna use this is my Conair steamer that I'm gonna use.